So Nanowrimo, day 4. I didn't have a great day. So 10,300 words, 3,600 words, 6,000 words. Today was 1,100 words. I'm not making excuses. I'm just going to give you my reality. My computer crashed. Mike, I want to say thank you. You got me a new computer pretty quickly, but then I had to get Microsoft and get blah, blah, blah. It was a rough day. A huge amount of drama. I was part of what we call the Forest Fen Chase, and the treasure chest is coming up for sale. I got roped into it, and a bunch of drama happened behind the scenes today. I actually was asked to go live, and I declined. Um, there's a lot of stuff happening in the background. I'm not even going to talk to it, but probably took up 8 hours of my day today. And I'm a little bitter about it because I have some people that I thought knew the things that were actually important to me, and I've been roped into drama due to their need for drama. And I'm just going to leave it at that. My last conversation, I got off the phone with someone at 11:58. I tried to get up on Nanowrimo. I didn't get up there until 12:02. And unfortunately, I lost my streak today because it didn't get up there. If anybody knows, if you can go back and not that it's super important, but I did my daily word count earlier at about 10 o'clock, and I just didn't get up to upload it because I was on the phone with crazy, stupid, drama, ridiculous stuff that I'm trying to get past. So I do want to thank a search friend of mine that I talked to for a while to try to get me out of the drama that is now a part of things. And part of me just wants to go live, reveal it all, move on, and not be a part of. This isn't a part of my life. I was dragged into this, but I'm going to digress. This is where I'm going to change the pattern of behavior. This is where I'm going to say, I am focused on this, how excited I am about this. And in the end, the stories will come out. And you'll see why. In this particular project, it's so therapeutic for me. And so, again, I'm just going to say the realities. Here I am on day 4. Wasn't great, but at least I got some words in. And tomorrow is going to be better because I'm going to block the stupidity of the parts of my life that I no longer want to be a part of. And I'm pretty excited about it. So, and I'll do a weekly update at the end. And then I might ratchet up these videos. Everybody needs to buckle up.